Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I am the head of Financial Education, Training and Capability Development for WealthTrade Malaysia. Today I am going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Moving forward, as we could see recently, we are looking at our core retail sales month to month, which is forecasted to be at negative 0.2 by the analysts. However, seeing forward, we are seeing that this particular data to rise compared to what is being forecasted. Secondly, moving forward, we are looking at the retail sales, which is forecasted to be at 0.2%. It is likely based on the past data, this data would be the same or there would be a slight hike, since we have seen from our PPI, which was the producer price index, as well as the consumer price index has rise as well, which will automatically makes the retail sales to be high as well. Thirdly, moving forward, we are looking at the UoM Consumer Sentiment, which is actually being much more higher. As we can see for previous data as well, many of the data has showed a significant increase, and currently it is being forecasted at 58.7%. Moving forward as well, for the UoM as well, for the inflation expectation, it is also forecasted to be higher as well, which would be at 4.6%. Based on all these factors that we are having, we can say that our trend is bearish. This is actually supporting from the various fundamental factors that we have previously, which is actually saying that the US dollar is strengthening over weeks. The trend is bearish and the fundamental range that we are looking at is between 1600 to 1688. Let's go with our technical analysis. For our technical analysis, as you can see here at investing.com, we have 3 support points and we have 3 resistance points. As we can see, we will have to see at the daily. So we have support 1, which is 1648.12. For support 2, we have 1638.54, and support 3, we have 1623.04 based on Fibonacci. And for our resistance 1, we have 1679.14, resistance 2 is 1688.72, and resistance 3 is 1704.22. These are the support and these are the resistance points that we are looking at. And our pivot point is 1663.63 based on the Fibonacci. And if let's say we are saying with this, we have to look at our technical indicators. As you can see, our technical indicators here, it is showing us a strong sell. And the reason is because most of the technical indicators that are here, as you can see, are actually showing an indication of strong sell, as well as along with all the moving averages as well, most of it. So this means that we can look at our resistance points in order to place our sell. However, since we would like to have more confirmation, we can look at a much higher time frames, such as weekly and also monthly, to see what does our technical indicator say. As we are able to see here for our weekly and monthly, our technical indicators are saying a strong sell. The reason why we look at our much higher time frames is because we have more stability and our technical indicators would give you a longer time trend. So which means that you will be able to actually go at the daily and place your trend and place at the resistance points as well. This will make your technical analysis much more stronger. But let's say if we are following this and we would like to have more confirmation, we can use linear regression as well, as linear regression would help to actually strengthen the confirmation of the trend. So as I see here at my daily, I can see that my trend is actually being a downtrend. However, I would like to have more confirmation. I can go to my weekly, which I can see over here. It's a slight downtrend or it's a slight sideway. And if I look at my 1 month, I can see that it is a strong buy. Okay, so as we can see over here, most of the technical indicators are already telling you that it is a strong sell, which means that you can go for a strong sell, but you would like to have more confirmation. So I will go with the Bollinger Band strategy tester and also the RSI strategy tester in order to see the percent profitable that I would get. So what I would do is that I would go with the RSI strategy first to see at the daily that I have about 75%. And if I look at my weekly, I have about 40%. And if I will look at my 1 month, monthly, I have 100%. Alright. So what I will do is that I will confirm this with my Bollinger Band strategy tester as well. So for my Bollinger Band strategy tester, at the 1 day I have about 68.97%. And for my 1 week I have about 70%. And for my 1 month I have about 40%. The most important thing to look here at your percent profitable is that your percent profitable for your RSI strategy tester and your Bollinger Band strategy tester both needs to be above 50%. If let's say you're looking at all the time frames, you will have to look at all the time frames and see that the RSI strategy tester should be above 50% and the Bollinger Band strategy tester should also show you above 50%. If any of it is below 50%, we would not go with that trend. So as we can see here, it is actually more supporting towards the trend, which is downtrend, and this is more supporting on the daily and also the weekly. Thus, we can go for our sell. This is one of the most easiest way for you to look in order for you to do the intraday. So if let's say you would like to place your trade, you can look at your current market. As you can see, currently you are at 1665.75. So if you are at 1665.75, what you could do is that you can wait for your resistance 1, which is 1679.14. You can place a pending order over there, and you can place your take profit at your pivot point, which would be 1663.63, and of course your stop loss would be at 1648.12. This is one of the most easiest way to go with, and the reason why I am using the information here because it's based on Fibonacci, and it's very important to know that Fibonacci actually provides you the highest probability in order to win in the market, which means that if you use the Fibonacci, use all the technical indicators which are being shown over here, which will tell you what does it say. You confirm with your higher time frames to make your trend much more stronger, and at the same time you are using linear regression as it is not in the investing.com, and you test it with the strategy tester, which gives you the percent profitable above 50%. This is one of the way that you can use in order for you to trade. So this actually confirms that you know that you can go with the resistance points, you can go with the take profit at a pivot point, as well as you can place your stop loss at the S1. And it has a winning rate about 80%. So this works most of the time. And this information is from the investing.com and also the Forex Factory. And another thing to add is that since we know that our fundamental factors are also supporting more towards bearish, and our technical analysis is also supporting more towards bearish, so we know that these two are being aligned together. Thus, we can go with a sell. For any further information, kindly contact me, Gurmeet. Have a great day.